U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Department of the Interior, Leavenworth National Fish Hatchery. We are counting our young spring Chinook fry 3 days after we move them from their incubation trays into larger tanks. Becky Christopherson and Darren Hemmer are counting each fish in their buckets, dropping them back into the tank with a net. Becky does the math, calculating the number of fish per pound, a measure of growth.
So then you can see, Julia, we have our fish count. So it's fish per pound. So that was our weight right there that we had in the bucket. And that's the total count per bucket. So then that's our fish per pound. And we were expecting, when they first went in, we were expecting them to be about 1,050. So they've grown a tiny bit in those first few days. If you look at, the average there is about 1,030.
A sampling of fry swim in a mesh cage. Our fry are just learning to eat solid food. In this overhead, wide-angle view, Darren is tossing tiny food pellets into the tanks. The fish dive to the bottom as he passes. This is only their third day of being offered solid food, so they are still slow to respond. It takes a while before they come to the surface and eat, their translucent fins fluttering. They adapt quickly. Already the fish in lighter-colored tanks have lighter-colored skin to blend in better. It won't be long before they get this figured out. In this underwater view from another year, older fry attack the food pellets as soon as they are tossed onto the surface, becoming fast and aggressive. Video by Julia Pinnix, Visitor Services Manager, March 4, 2022.